Conflict resolution, turning conflict into opportunity. Conflict resolution, turning conflict into opportunity. Introduction. Conflict is an inevitable part of human interaction. Whether it occurs in personal relationships, professional settings, or within societies, conflicts can often lead to tensions, misunderstandings, and even hostility. However, the way we approach and handle conflicts can significantly impact the outcomes. By focusing on effective conflict resolution strategies, individuals and groups can navigate conflicts with resilience and turn them into opportunities for personal and collective development. Understanding conflict? Before delving into conflict resolution strategies, it is important to understand the nature of conflicts. Conflicts arise when there is a perceived or real incompatibility of goals, values, beliefs, or interests between individuals or groups. They often stem from misunderstandings, differing perspectives, or a lack of effective communication. While conflicts can create discomfort and tension, they also provide an opportunity for parties involved to tackle underlying issues, collaborate, and find creative solutions. Listening and empathy. One of the fundamental skills for conflict resolution is active listening. Active listening involves fully focusing on and understanding what the other person is saying, without interrupting or judging their perspective. By actively listening, individuals can demonstrate empathy, which helps build trust and helps the conflicting parties find common ground. Empathy requires putting oneself in their shoes and acknowledging their feelings and experiences. It is through empathy that individuals can begin to de-escalate emotions and foster an environment for effective conflict resolution. Effective communication. Communication is paramount in conflict resolution. Miscommunication or a lack of communication can perpetuate conflicts. Clear and open communication, on the other hand, promotes understanding and facilitates finding mutually beneficial solutions. When conflicts arise, it is important to engage in dialogue where each party can express their thoughts and concerns without fear of judgment or ridicule. Encouraging respectful communication enables conflicting parties to express themselves freely and contributes to the discovery of underlying interests and needs. Finding common ground. A key aspect of conflict resolution is discovering common ground. Identifying shared interests or goals can pave the way for finding win-win solutions. By focusing on commonalities, conflicting parties can find areas of agreement and build on them to reach mutually beneficial outcomes. Identifying shared values, priorities, or desired outcomes can help shift the focus from positions to interests, enabling parties to work together towards a resolution. Negotiation and compromise. Negotiation is an essential part of conflict resolution. It involves a give and take process where conflicting parties exchange ideas, wants, and needs to reach a mutually satisfactory agreement. Successful negotiation requires flexibility and a willingness to compromise. Parties involved must be willing to let go of rigid positions and be open to exploring alternative solutions that accommodate everyone's interests. Compromising does not mean sacrificing one's values or needs completely, but rather finding a middle ground that respects the concerns of all parties involved. Mediation and third-party intervention. In certain cases, conflict resolution may require the involvement of a neutral third party. Mediation is a structured process in which a trained mediator helps facilitate communication, clarify issue, and guide conflicting parties towards a resolution. The mediator acts as a neutral intermediary, ensuring that all perspectives are heard and respecting the confidentiality of the discussions. Mediation provides an opportunity for parties to work through their differences with the assistance of a trained professional, ultimately helping them find a mutually acceptable resolution. Promoting collaboration and teamwork. Conflict resolution can be an opportunity to foster collaboration and teamwork. By encouraging participation and engagement, conflicts can be transformed into platforms for brainstorming creative solutions. In team settings, conflicts can arise due to various factors such as differing opinions, work styles, or individual goals. By promoting a culture of collaboration, conflicts can be seen as catalysts for growth and innovation, rather than obstacles. Encouraging open dialogue, sharing diverse perspectives, and valuing contributions from all team members can turn conflicts into opportunity. As for improved teamwork and stronger relationships. Learning and growth. A significant aspect of conflict resolution is the opportunity for personal and collective learning and growth. Conflicts often bring underlying issues to the surface, shining a light on areas that need attention and improvement. By approaching conflicts with a growth mindset, individuals and groups can learn from their experiences, identify patterns, and adapt their behavior and decision-making processes accordingly. Conflict resolution can also lead to enhanced self-awareness, empathy, and communication skills, all of which contribute to personal and professional development. Barriers to conflict resolution. While conflict resolution holds immense potential, there are often several barriers that hinder progress towards a resolution. These barriers can arise from various factors, including emotional dynamics, power imbalances, and deep-rooted beliefs. It is important to recognize